If you're having trouble uploading your Snapchat stories, in today's video, let me show you a couple of common fixes that you can try out. Now in this situation, the first thing that you can try out is check for your internet connection. So whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data, try to see if the internet is working or not. You can also try switching between one of these network connections. What you can also try out is try to restart the app. So just close the app from the recent list and then again try to open it. If none of these two solutions work out for you, the other thing that you can do is try to clear the app cache. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, head over to storage, and then just tap on the clear cache option. Now sometimes also what happens is the servers need to catch up, so even if you wait out a couple of minutes before you retry, you should be able to fix this issue automatically without having any issues. So in most cases, this is likely what's happening. So just wait out a couple of minutes before you try to upload the story again. If this guide video did help you out in solving this issue, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.